In front of me is a OPPO F15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, but this time to tap on Device Unlock and tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock section available here. Now, select Face under Ways to Unlock, hit Agree in this pop-up, and enter your current login method. Follow all of the instructions on your screen after tapping Add Now. When you're ready, select Done and make sure this option, Screen Unlock, is enabled. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your smartphone using face recognition. Adjust all of the other ones however you wish. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!